Are you ready? Let's go. Yeah, all the falai Sosikamako with yum yum noodles and pak choys. Yeah. Oil in, lots of oil in. Get them onions, let them swim in that oil. Oi, kafefe. Black pepper in. Hey, not too much, not too much. Get what falai kong oi. Se'eu. Get that white part of the pak choy in because it's crunchy. So let them soften up in there, falai. Yeah, those spices that come with that yum yum noodle. So don't throw them in the rubbish, okay? Get them in, get the flavors in. Alright, Sosikamako in. So let's see how many macros inside that Sosikamako. Yo, shaky. Oh yeah, there's 4 in there. Wow, that will feed 5 people. Yum yum noodles, yep, that's the chicken flavor. Get in. Remember, don't overcook that noodles, man. It has to be crunchy. With all that flavor goes in. Stir right up. And that's our last part of that pak choy. The leaves goes in. Let that green vegetarian. Alrighty, last part. Yo, get that salt, get that MSG or whatever spices you want to get in that falai. And we serve that falai pirikaki. Yummy. Let's go. Yeah, share that with your family, your wife, your kids, your uncle, your auntie, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or even your neighbor. Let's go. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and follow my page Samoan Chef on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Yeah, man, we also follow up.